Hi everyone, welcome to Danka Praktik. Are you considering having a chicken coop in your household? Well, if you are, then this video will give you some information about the whole topic and why it's definitely good to have a chicken coop. We have one in our household, so we're speaking from some experience. Stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
The first and most obvious advantage of having a chicken coop is that you'll have fresh eggs almost every day. For instance, we get between 7 to 10 eggs every day from 10 hens, which is pretty much enough to feed 4 grown people for a day. Also, eggs are very popular in most diets. They can be prepared in various ways, they are a part of various other meals, and are a very nutritious food source. Next good thing about having a chicken coop is sustainability. Sustainability is a very popular topic and a chicken coop is a valuable tool for that. It can enable you to be sustainable for a certain period of time, especially if you combine it with other food sources around the house. Also, besides eggs, chickens are very useful for other things regarding sustainability. A good example for this is that they produce manure, which is good for growing vegetables. Even if you're a novice with farming or keeping animals, chickens shouldn't be a problem for you. Provided they have the proper conditions, they are very resilient animals and do not need any special care. Literally, for 10 chickens, all you need is to let them in and out of the coop in the morning and evening, give them water and food 2 times a day, let them out from time to time so they can stretch their legs and eat some grass, and that's that. Chicken coops are not a big investment. You have all kinds of chicken coops and the type you want mostly depends on how many chickens you want to keep. But you can build a basic chicken coop literally out of material you have around the house so you don't have to spend much money. This is how we built ours. Most of the material was leftovers from previous building projects. Of course, the more you invest, the better it will be, but with some imagination, goodwill, time, and patience, you can build a decent, long-lasting chicken coop from the bottom to the top for a couple of €100 or dollars. If you already have some material, that amount is much less. Another very good advantage is that a chicken coop does not take up much space at all. You can make a decent chicken coop on a couple of square meters, for instance. So even if you have a smaller yard and the needed conditions, you can set up a chicken coop. Last on this list is a sort of side effect of having a chicken coop, and that is educational purposes. This may sound silly, but if you haven't had any contact with this, you'll see that over time it gives a sense of commitment and obligation, but also a sense of joy because you're doing something very useful for your household. Not to mention that it's great to have a chicken coop if you have kids. They'll learn useful things and also have some fun at the same time. So, the reasons we've stated here should be enough to make up your mind on this subject. We definitely recommend having a chicken coop, especially if you have the will, a bit of space in your backyard, and you like animals. It's a small investment with big benefits. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.